Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you have a Cat5e or Cat6 cable and a clear path from your modem to the router. This matters because cable quality affects speed. Once ready, stand behind the router and identify the WAN versus LAN ports by label and color. The WAN port usually connects to the modem. Make sure both devices are powered. You keep the modem and router powered so they can negotiate link speed as soon as the cable is seated. You now take one RJ45 end and push it into the modem's Ethernet or LAN out port until you hear or feel a click. This creates the physical link. Then insert the other end into the router's WAN port. This routes internet to your local network. Make sure the cable follows a gentle curve, not a sharp bend, to avoid damaging pairs. Once done, watch the modem and router link LEDs. A steady or blinking light confirms the electrical connection. You finish by logging into the router admin page to confirm the WAN shows an IP address and internet status. This verifies proper communication. If you see no internet, restart the modem first, wait 60 to 90 seconds, then restart the router so DHCP and routing renegotiate. One key troubleshooting tip: if link LEDs remain off, swap the cable and try a different LAN or WAN port. This isolates a faulty cable or port quickly and gets you back online.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.